Welcome. In this episode of Durgotsav, the making of the festival and the ceremonies regards to Durga Puja. Kumortuli, a small town in itself, is located in North Kolkata, West Bengal. At the very initial startup towards Durga Puja, thousands of artisans work hard, attentively, carefully in more than 500 workshops to complete the statues of Durga and her four children, Ganesha, Lakshmi, Kartikeya and Saraswati, within the stipulated time for the festival. What is nice about the entire process is that the idols are made out of environment-friendly materials such as bamboo, clay, paper, organic paints and so on, particularly following the tradition of obtaining soil from the brothels and mixing it with the clay. The artisans start by making a bamboo frame for the idol called a kathamo. They bind straw over it to give it a structure and then apply clay on top to give it its final shape. After drying the statue in the sun for a few days, they paint and decorate it. Authentic classic idols are decorated with dhakesari, a type of silver foil. Though nowadays many idols are given a contemporary look. They are crafted by lesser known artisans who are experimental in nature. However, there are a few renowned names associated with traditional idols that inspire deep devotion. Kolabau Puja. It's all about the ritual of bathing Banana Bride and her transformation into goddess on Mahasaptami. Kolabau, who is known to be the wife of Ganesha, is bathed on this day, dressed and transformed into a goddess. The festival of Goddess Durga is not only confined to pandals and setting up of idols. The festival has various customs and rituals across the country. One such ritual is Kolabau Puja, which translates to Banana Bride worship. The ceremonial bath in the Ganga river holds immense importance. Durga Puja, also known as Durgotsav or Sharadotsav, is an annual Hindu festival originated in the Indian subcontinent, is respected and pays homage to the Hindu goddess Durga, particularly popular and traditionally celebrated in the Indian states of West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Tripura, and Bangladesh. The festival is observed in the Indian calendar month of Ashwin, which corresponds to September-October in the calendar. The puja is performed in homes and in the public, the latter featuring a temporary stage and structural decorations known as pandals.
আপনারা যে পথ দিয়ে মণ্ডপে প্রবেশ করছেন তার উল্টো দিকে সংবাদ হচ্ছে বর্তমান বৎসরে আমরা কলকাতা টিভি আয়োজিত চিরাগ শারদ সম্মানের শ্রেষ্ঠ প্রতিমার পুরস্কার লাভ করেছি। সিমলা ব্যাংক সমিতির পক্ষ থেকে শারদীয়ার প্রীতি শুভেচ্ছা এবং আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন।
As per Hindu scriptures, the festival marks the victory of goddess Durga in her battle against the Mahishasura. The festival symbolizes the victory of good over evil, though it is also in part a harvest festival celebrating the goddess as the motherly power behind all of life. The primary goddess revered during Durga Puja is Durga, but celebrations also include other major deities of Hinduism such as Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and music, Ganesha, the god of good beginnings, and Kartikeya, the god of war. In Bengali and Odia traditions, these deities are considered to be Durga's children, and Durga Puja is believed to remember Durga's visit to her natural home with her children. The festival is preceded by Mahalaya, which is believed to mark the start of Durga's journey to her natal home. Primary celebrations begin on the sixth day known as Shashti, on which the goddess is welcomed with rituals. The festival ends in the 10th day called Vijaya Dashami, when devotees embark on a procession carrying the worshipped idols to a river or other water body and immerse them, symbolic of our return to the divine creation in Kailasha. Durga Puja is an old tradition of Hinduism, though its exact origins are uncertain. Over the years, Durga Puja has become an inseparable part of Indian culture, with innumerable people celebrating this festival in their own unique way while connecting to the tradition.